just how tiny. Where did he go? How tiny he is compared to like my finger. Here's another frog. Hold on. Oh, he's baby small. Do you see my finger compared to him? We were listening to music, so this is me talking over that. Look at the hummingbirds. And of course, every farm needs a house, a farmhouse, and this one is being built on a different part of the property, still in process of being painted, of being built out. And yeah, this is on the piece of property that's talked about and coined the 40. That's what the family calls this portion of the land that this house is built on. So enjoy.